Hey, what's going on YouTube? Mike here, and today we are back with something special on the channel. So Spigen was kind enough to send us some of their accessories for the Pixel 3a and the iPhone 11, and we do have them here for a quick unboxing and hands-on video. Big shout out and thank you to the folks at Spigen for sending these over. Now, I have been using Spigen products for many years now. In fact, I've used them for the iPhone 6 and the Samsung Galaxy S9 for example, and I've always found their cases to be reliable, especially if you want to add a bit of protection to your smartphone. So for today, let's take a look at what Spigen has sent over. Now, of course, I will be doing specific reviews for these soon, so stay tuned for that. Before we get started, I just want to say that we are currently on the road to 1,000 subs, so your support for this channel will go a long way towards our goal. As always, I'll link some of my other stuff below, so feel free to check them out. So first off, we have the Spigen Rugged Armor case for the Google Pixel 3a. Opening the box, you do get the case and that's pretty much it. Now Spigen's Rugged Armor line of cases are made of a durable and flexible CPU material, and this of course remains the same on the Pixel 3a Rugged Armor case. The back of the case features a nice matte texture with carbon fiber style accents on the bottom and a rich texture near the top to help with grip. Of course on the inside you do get the trademark Spigen web pattern design, which according to Spigen helps with shock absorption if there's ever any impact to your phone. You also get the cutouts for the camera and the fingerprint sensor, which are nice and deep to avoid contact with surfaces, and this is the same for the headphone jack as well as the charging port and speaker cutouts. On the other hand, the buttons are covered and will remain protected from scratches. The case is flexible, so putting it on and off your phone will be quick and easy. Now comparing it to the Rugged Armor case for the Redmi 8a, the main difference is the size, although the basic design and style remain similar. Now next up we have the Spigen Ultra Hybrid case, and this one is for the iPhone 11. The Ultra Hybrid has a different look to it compared to the Rugged Armor case, as it comes with a clear hard back and translucent CPU sides. Obviously we have the red one here with us. So it does come with some film on the back side, which you have to take off upon opening it. This means that you don't get the Spigen web design on the inside of the case unfortunately, but it does add a bit of style to the case as it maintains the shiny look of the iPhone 11's glass back. The TPU sides are sturdy and flexible at the same time, which means that you won't have a hard time taking the case on and off your phone. Of course, there are cutouts for the microphone, mute switch, charging port, and bottom firing speakers. As for the Rugged Armor case, the buttons are covered and will be protected from scratches. So in addition to this, Spigen also sends some tempered glass screen protectors to go along with the cases, which is really awesome of them. Here we have the Glass TR screen protector for the iPhone 11. This is a 2-pack, which means that you'll get 2 protectors. So you do get the screen protectors along with some extra stuff to make the application easier, such as cleaning materials and the installation tray. I have always had a difficult time installing screen protectors in the past, so these will definitely come in handy for sure. We also have the Glass TR screen protector for the Pixel 3a. Since this is also a 2-pack, there's another screen protector in here. Although it doesn't come with the application tray, you still get some cleaning materials along with these screen protectors. So again, a big thank you to Spigen for sending these over. I'll do a follow-up review of the cases that we've received, so be sure to check those out soon on this channel. If you like this video, do consider hitting that subscribe button as we cover tech products and accessories on here. I do appreciate you guys for stopping by, and once again, thanks for watching.